on 28 March. On that day, the weather is fine. It's a little bit hot, but I was happy. I was singing, drawing heavily, and I'm drawing like na na na. At first, it was shake a little, and I think, oh, what's that? What's that? A few seconds later, it shake really hard, and I think, what is the earthquake? That was my last memory.
ကျမနာမျိုးနေပေါ့ကျမနာမျိုးနဲ့စင်နေအလုံးလောက်တာသုံးတက်တိုက်ပြီလို့ပေမအဲ့လိုပြပြချင်းတော့ဟိုအသက်ရှင်မယ်လို့မထင်ဘူးပေါ့
These people have gone through a very specific tragedy, and it happened very suddenly, and it changed their lives forever.
Cover my body like this with this left hand, so my left hand was broken. At first, the hospital didn't do anything for us because there's too many patients, too many people who lose their life, their hearts, their families, too many people with injuries. We moved many hospitals, but after we arrived this gap, the doctors said that this need to have a surgeon. They will take me, they will fix me up.
There's so many injured people. That every injured story is an opportunity to turn despair to hope. And that is a big part of why we're here. Maybe that's the only reason we're here, is to turn despair to hope.
ဟိုဘောတနေ့လုံးမတနေ့စားတာဆိုတော့ဒီချစ်တော့မဖြစ်လိုက်တာပဲအရန်ဟိုကျေးဇူးဟိုပေါ့နော်ကိုယ့်ဘက်ကိုအရန်ဟိုကံကောင်းတယ်ဘယ်လိုထင်ရပါလဲမြန်မာနိုင်ငံရဲ့ပြည်သူရဲ့ကိုယ်စားကျေးဇူးထူးတင်ပါတယ်
We are really thank you to you and really love you guys.